Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking you through how to shear a fabric. So for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm gonna be making a tube top which is going to form part of a dress eventually. But for this tutorial, the measurement I'm going to be using for this is my bust size and a half. So for example, my bust size is 34. So if I divide that 34 into 2, I will get 17. So I'm going to add that 17 to 34. So which is going to be 51 inches in length. So that's the length of the fabric that I'm going to be using today. So now to shear, you're going to need your shearing elastic, which you can get from any sewing supply store. To wind your elastic thread around your bobbin, you need to do this by hand. If you do this using your sewing machine, it's going to create too much tension on the elastic thread, and your shearing is not going to turn out, it's not going to come out properly. So once you've finished winding your elastic thread around your bobbin, you need to then install it into the bobbin area in your sewing machine and have your normal thread at the top of your machine. So once your threads are set and ready to go, I would suggest that you use a tension control of 4 and the longest thread settings on my sewing machine. So once you have your thread settings and your tension settings in place, we are ready to start shearing. As you can see, this is what it looks like after I've done a few lines of the shearing. So the elastic is on the wrong part, it's on the wrong side of the fabric, whilst the normal thread is on the right side of the fabric. So this is what you want. You may find it useful to draw parallel lines on your fabric as a guide to stop you from wobbling about, especially if you're doing this for the first time. On the other hand, I use my presser foot as my guide. So you might want to do the same thing, or just use your ruler to draw parallel lines on your fabric. And this is it, guys. I hope you found this video very helpful. And if you have, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and also remember to subscribe. Thank you for watching.